Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mohammad Mushfiqur Rahman Umrak. I grew up in Lalbagh, Hornath Ghosh Road, Dhaka. My permanent address is Goffergarh, Mymensingh. I finished my SSC in 2020 from Western High School and my HSC in 2022 from Dhanmondi Ideal College. Now I am a student of textile engineering at Daffodil International University. I am good at using Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. My key strength at teamwork, leadership and good communication. I am an active member of DIU Volunteer Club. As a volunteer, I helped organize my department program like DIU Textile Carnival, Textile Summits and cultural program. The work taught me a lot about working in the team and knowing projects. I am also enjoy debating at the university, which helps me speak more clearly and confidently. My textile engineering course gives me strong knowledge of for Bangladesh big ready-made garments industry. I want to become a successful textile engineer focusing on eco-friendly method and top quality control. My goals is support the growth of the Bangladesh garment sector. In my textile engineering program, I am focused on the technical side of the industry. I have gained practical knowledge in different labs, including yarn manufacturing, weight processing, and quality control. I understand how to test fabric production and ensure production quality. The textile industry is changing fast and innovation is key. My education is planning to be a production solver, whatever it is, finished efficiency production method of developing eco-friendly process. I believed in using analysis thinking to improve factory opportunities. I am a hardworking person with both technical skills and leadership experience. I am ready to start a successful career in the textile industry. Thank you very much.